gonna try an Irish pub. Oh, this is gonna be fun. It's called the Crack. Okay, we're back from the pub.
So we went to an Irish pub this afternoon because this was, as Linda says,
So we did a bunch of things. We also went to
Brown's
Irish Market again.
I had never gone in.
She hadn't been in, and I had, and I wanted her to try it. So we went to Brown's Irish Market today, and we did some other things. But then we ended the day with dinner at the Crack Irish Pub. And
my best friend's like, "What do you do?" Oh, and she saw the books that you were reading last night.
Yeah, one of
a murder in Dublin or something like that.
Death in Dublin or murder in Dublin. She's like, it's the Dublin tour in Kansas City.
But we went to IKEA as well, so it was kind of an international tour of Kansas City. Anyway, we went to this place called the Crack. Mm-hmm. You want to explain what that is?
The Crack means fun in Irish Gaelic. I can't tell you what an actual Irish pub is like. So we went to an Americanized Irish pub, but it was so good. And these two Americans tried an Irish pub. And I got the gluten-free patty melt.
Yeah, I didn't think it was gluten-free. I even had to have the waitress come back and tell me it was gluten-free. It looked too real, and Kelly had given me a bite of it, and it tasted too real, and I didn't think it was gluten-free at all.
But it was, and it was so good. Oh my gosh, best gluten-free patty melt I've ever had. It had melted Swiss cheese, and it had grilled or fried up caramelized onions, and a hamburger patty. Oh my goodness, that was delicious. Then it came with fries.
Anyway, so I got the patty, or not the patty melt, just it's called the melty, and it's just cheddar cheese. And I ordered it with bacon, which was the thick cut.
So basically she had a ham and cheese.
It wasn't really like full on ham. It was pretty much bacon. It was just really, really like thick cut and then double it, and that's about what it was. It was very good. Anyway, so the waitress comes around the corner, and you got a picture, like in your mind you got a picture of this place, right? So behind us are sitting these, I don't know, wannabe Irish people. She's got dyed red hair.
Right,
he's in this little vest and beanie.
Little hat.
And up at the bar are these three guys drinking, right? And the waitress comes around the corner to our table, and as she does, she's like in a hurry or whatever.
She runs into one of the guys at the bar.
And half of my fries go just sliding off my plate and land at their feet. And they turn around and go, "Oh, no worries.
Yeah, we'll
eat those. Don't clean those off."
No, Chloe, we'll just eat them. And then so the Americanized Irish couple behind us were cracking up.
And I'm just like, it's all right, it's all right. They're like, no, we'll bring you some more. And they were really good.
I enjoyed my fries, and I was able to have them too, so that was cool. Guys, thanks for watching. That's the end of this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.